Hello students, today we will do exercise 14.3 of chapter 14. In this exercise, we will do the questions of median. So before going to start our exercise, we need to understand what is median. Median is a middle observation of a data. For example, if we take 2, 1, 5, 9, 6. If we try to find out the median of this data, so first of all change this number in a ascending or a descending order. If we change this number in a ascending order, then middle observation of this data is 5. So we can say 5 is median of this data. But this is for the ungrouped data. For a group data, to find a median, we have a definite formula. And the formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F in a bracket and multiply by H. This is the formula to find a median for a group data. Now let's discuss about the terms. L is here lower limit, n by 2 is n is here sum of the frequency. This is the column of the frequency, n is sum of this frequency. CF is a new column which we will obtain by adding the number of the frequency in a systematic way. H is the height size of the class interval, and F is the term in this frequency. So let's start our question. First of all, this is the first question of our exercise 14.3. In this question, you are given monthly consumptions of a family members. We have to find out median of this data. So for this, we will obtain here a new column, that is CF, that means cumulative frequency. CF is a cumulative frequency which we will obtain by adding the number of frequency in a systematic way. Now start to obtain the cumulative frequency. First number will be right as it is. Next number will be 4 plus 5, that is 9. That means we add the number of frequency by this method. After that 9 plus 13. After that, so we will add the number in this way. 9 plus 13 will be 22. Then 22 plus 20. It will be equal to 42. 42 plus 14. 56. 56 plus 8. 64, and 64 plus 4, that is 68. If we try to check either our addition is correct or not, we have one method here, that is, if the last number of this column and addition of this column, if these two numbers are same, then we can say that our addition is absolutely correct. So here we have last frequency is 68 and sum is also 68, so we can say that this column is absolutely correct. Now in the formula, we start to find the median from n by 2. N is here 68. So n by 2 will be 68 by 2, that is 34. Now find out a number in a cumulative frequency which is nearest to 34. Which is nearest to 34. Here if we check that this term is stopped up to 22. That means in this column, in this row, number lies up to 22. And in this row, number lie up to 42. So we can say that 34 lie in this row. So this is our main row. This is our main row. So we can say that here median class. Median class is 125 to 145. From this we will find out value of L. L is lower limit of our median class. So L is 125. F is 20. CF, this is our main point. CF is a term which is proceeding of our median class. That means if this is our median class, then CF is proceeding, one upper term. CF is 22. Next remaining term is H. H is here 20. Now put all the value in the formula. After that we will find median. So let's start the calculation. L is 125 plus n by 2, that is 34, minus CF, that is 22, divide by F. F is 20, and multiply by H, which is also 20. 125, subtract the terms, 12 divide by 20, multiply by 20, cancel out. Then 125 plus 12. This is our final answer. 137 is median of this question. So this is the method to find a median for a group data. Let's do one more question. Statement is, you are given a length in this form 118 up to 126, 126 127 up to 135, 136 up to 144, 145 up to 153. Next is 154 up to 162, 162 up to 173 up to 171, and 172 up to 180. Before going to start our question, first of all check out in the class interval either the last limit and the first limit are same or not. If these are not same, try to same these terms. So for this purpose, what will we do? Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. This is the method to change the upper limit and lower limit to do the same upper limit and lower limit. So what will we do? Subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So here we will write our class interval again. Then it will be 117.5 and 126.5. 126.5. Then in the next term when we add 135.5. Here we have 135.5. In next 144.5. 144.5 and 153.5. So by this method we can change upper limit and lower limit because we have to do the same upper limit and lower limit. This column will be frequency. The next is 171.5, 171.5 and last is 180.5. So frequency is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2. Next column is CF because to find a median we need here cumulative frequency. Sum of this column is 40. We obtain the cumulative frequency by add the number of frequency in a systematic way, that is 3, Then next is 3 plus 5, 8. Next is 8 plus 9, 17. Next is 17 plus 12, 39. 29. 29 plus 5, that is 34. 34 plus 4, that is 38. And 38 plus 2, that is 40. Here we have last number is 40 and addition of this number is also 40. So we can say that cumulative frequency is absolutely correct. Next formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. So we will start our question from n by 2. N is 40, so n by 2 will be 20. Now check out in the cumulative frequency which row is nearest, which number is nearest to 20. Here we have this row will be stopped up to 17. So 20 number will be lie in this number. So we can say that this is our median class. From this class we will find out value of L. Lower limit of our median class is 144.5. F is 12. CF. This is our main term. CF will be the preceding term of our median class. That means preceding term is 17. So CF is 17. And H is 9. Then put all the value in the formula. L is 144.5 plus n by 2 is 20 minus CF, that is 17, divide by F, which is 12, and multiply by 9. 144.5, 20 minus 7, that is 3, divide by 12, multiply by 9, 4, 144.5, 9 by 4, 144.5, divide the term 9 by 4, that is 2.2, 146.7. This is our final answer.